Yeah, it is. You're good. Max!
This was the third major storm of the season, surprising to everyone. After all, it was March. It was only now I realized how convenient it was to live so close to the mountain. I left my car parked and took the road less traveled to get to the mountaintop. When I first got here, it felt extremely foreign to be so close to the mountain, when a year prior I only snowboarded a handful of times, and all involved me hiking to get to the summit. This felt like my first full season. I've had the privilege to snowboard this season more than I ever have in the last 7 years, and now this was the morning commute. A convenient one.
Bruh, nobody's over here. Look at my man's pointing it straight. Yes, sir. Look at him, enjoying life. Look at him.
When you think of the Northeast, you seldomly hear the word powder, at least not in southern New York. Maybe in the Adirondacks, Gore, Whiteface, but Hunter Mountain? It seemed like fresh tracks had become a luxury for the early birds. So when the opportunity presents itself, you take it.
All right, y'all, have fun.
You too, man. Go down before me, dude.
All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nigga. This is the most peaceful thing I've ever seen in my life. Yo, my whole board. Holy shit. I'm gonna need some steeper terrain though.
Too many T's. Too many T's. Who blind me mighty? I'm Riley, I'm hearing bitey. I be driving a rhyme and it's burning inside of me further. Got my eyes set on high, you ain't even heard of. I'm trying to murder the mic when you search for a worthy rider. I'm first to the front.
Oh shit. Bruh.
See a chance, I get up on it, making the moves that little me water. My Dre and Cornet, my bonnet's popping, big booty mamas. Well, in my dreams, I mean the T's and C's don't fade it clearly. Really want it, really need it. Damn, I'm nearly getting needy.
It's like you can go anywhere. Anywhere. I'm very overwhelmed right now. I don't know what to do. You good? I'm about to cry, son. I'll cry right now.
After this run, I then met up with my friend Stephanie and her son. Though we knew these trails all season, the snow laid a gentle foundation that we could draw on for a moment in time.
Yo, there's no way. No, we're good. You good?
I was in bed. I couldn't. I tried. I was like, I'm just trying to work, but
A few runs down the north face of Hunter, I kept glancing over to some untouched terrain that looked enticing.
You alright?
It's been 5 years since I've experienced snow like this, and the confidence to explore the trees was at an all-time high. This wasn't like the mellow tree run off a green trail. I soon realized that I was a bit overzealous.
Yeah, it looks like to me. If you want me to go first, I can go.
It'll open into twilight, yeah. Whoa.
Ah!
Holy fuck. You good, Max? I'm gonna get my board out and then come get you. I'm gonna text your mom real quick. Let her know you're good. Ready?
Good thing you're here because then I was.
From the outside looking in, there was a distinct entrance and exit to the trails the trees surrounded. In the thick of it, I felt lost.
Is there anything down there? Yeah, we're good, we're good.
Trying to keep my balance became a challenge, especially when making attempts to get up and not being able to touch the ground.
Can I just touch the ground and walk down there?
Oh, okay. Like walk this path right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need help though. Whoa! Oh my god, it's so deep.
Yeah, it is, it is, it is. You're good, you're good. I got you, I got you, I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Try and just follow that path.
Now here, the GoPro angle has Max still visible over the cliff that the snow buried, but from my eyes, I couldn't see nor hear where Max was.
Max, you good? You alright? Max? You good? You alright, Max? Oh, I'm coming. Where are you?
Right over here.
I see you.
There's a path.
I see. Yeah? You want your ski?
Just go right. Hold on to my feet.
Alright. Okay. Alright, I think he's good.
If you think I'm in trouble, just tell me.
I will.
I never thought I'd be happy to be heckled by people on a chairlift. But to be in the company of anyone else after getting stuck in the woods is a win.
My mom's probably like,
Yeah, I called her. I told her. No, we're good.
this is like a chair.
You alright? Yes.
I kept making sure Max was okay, but I think I was more worried than he was.
You want me to carry your board and you carry my...
No. Hey, we're good.
Even though this was a slither of glades between two trails, it served as a reminder as to how dangerous the mountain can be.
Let me see the bottom of your... Let's get these on. Let's get the F out of here. Good. In?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna wait if you help. It's so much easier to get this one.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
That was crazy. That we hit. You want to do that again?
Hell no. Come on to the no. Yeah, to the no.
Never again. Never again.
You might have got stuck in that.